Hello po, Inda. Happy birthday. May God bless you always. At palagi kong pangadi na sana dyan nakapang masikan na pamikakatawan. Mimingat po palagi at pangadid ako po. Happy birthday pong Pasibayo.
Happy 91st birthday. I will not wish you anymore because you have already received a lot of gifts from God. Some says the span of life of man is 70 years and you are 91. It's more than already. According to the Psalm 80 for those who are strong. Happy birthday, Inda. Stay healthy and at peace, always praising God. Happy birthday.
Maya payabak po, Indang Maria. Happy birthday po. Ngayon 91 years old na kayo. Matula kong pupugayan na kayo. Uling metong kayong masalang alimbawa ng grasya na ng Diyos keng kabahan ng kekong biye. Sana po puros masaya, puros masanting at masanting kalusugan So kaya bera po rening kanakong barkada keng gulot. Happy birthday po kay kayo, Indang Maria One day po siguro may kita mo pa itong mipabanda ko kay kayo King San Luis. Masanting at masapla lang Aldo kay kayo po.
Happy 91st birthday po. It's a happy birthday. May you live to be 103. It's a happy birthday. It's a happy birthday to you. Your birthday po Nay is so near to the birthday of Mama Mary. Also your qualities of the heart are so close, so near to those of Mama Mary. Maria ang pangalan mo, kaya malapit ka sa patnubay ni Mama Mary. You have a big heart, like Mama Mary, that accommodates not only your children and your family, but anyone, just like me, who comes to know you can feel the motherly love. Ika ing inda ding taong lalapit keka. You have a very joyful and graceful countenance. Anyone who looks at you just feels relaxed. I'm happy to have known you, wishing you good health and long life. Masayang kaarawan po, Inda. Loves from Father Joachim Mascarenhas, Goa, India, but currently in Binondo. Pray for me also. Salamat po.
Hello, Lola Maria and Father Paul. I stay with John. And I will pray for you and happy birthday. And may God continue to bless you and have a good health and continue to bless your family members. And you become a blessing for your neighbors. Everything. We give thanks to the Lord and happy birthday again. I will pray for you. Okay.
Hello po, Inda. Maligayang kaarawan po. Happy birthday. Napaka-bless niyo po. Hindi po maraming tao ang nabiyayaan ng mahabang buhay. Wow, 91 years old and counting. Pero higit sa lahat po, bless na bless kayo dahil sa inyong pananampalataya sa Panginoong Diyos, sa Panginoong Jesucristo, ang inyong debosyon sa mahal na ina, kay San Roque at sa mga banal. Dahil dito, hindi lamang po 100 years old o 120 years old ang biyayang matatanggap, kundi buhay na walang hanggan. Bless na bless kayo kasi po pati pamilya nyo ay may pananampalataya at naglilingkod sa simbahan at sa bayan ng Diyos at marubdob na debosyon sa Panginoon at sa mga banal. Happy birthday po ulit sa sunod nyo na pagbisita dito sa Binondo. Sana magkasama tayong kumain. God bless you po. Pagpalain po kayo palagi. Pagdasal niyo po ako at ang parokya ng Binondo po.